In this TONAI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your audio for your voiceovers, video reels, audio message, reviews, podcasts, and more using a special software that makes your sound just like the way that people feel. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out TONAI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says here, finally create audio-visual content with personality in a few clicks. First of its kind, AI-based technology to create tone-based and captivating voiceovers, reels, audio, messages, reviews, articles, podcasts, sales pages, sales videos, and a lot more in the blink of an eye. Select, play, and control all of your content with 30 plus interchanging and smooth, natural, human-like tones. So what makes this different from a lot of other stuff out there is that it can actually create the different tones of the voice, making it so that you can have it read it with different kinds of emotions rather than just in just a normal tone like this, like a normal computer does. You can make it actually sound like a real person. So you can generate solid and highly converting reels for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. You can create videos with this for these different platforms, quickly auto-generate voiceover for your marketing, generate original song lyrics, publish generated content on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and more. Create audio SMS, audio reviews, audio notifications, access 30 plus tones of voice, potential to produce engaging content in any language that you want, and much more with this software. So it's going to do a ton of things with this audio content. If we go down here, you just log into the dashboard, you click on AI Video Maker, select the niche and tool as per the requirement, select the kind of video you want to choose and enter the headline, pick the relevant settings, and then click on generate, and it will create it for you. So it's pretty easy in order to create these different audios here with the software. You can see the different things that it does: access to real human-like voice styles, AI Video Maker, audio message AI, voiceover AI, TikTok content AI, and it has a limited character set, generates limited characters up to 50,000 for your stuff here. You can actually see some actual glimpses of what this looks like right on the sales page. You can check out some real examples of this. They've got some testimonials from customers here that have used this already. Now I'm going to scroll down here. If you purchase this, you're going to see on the sales page you get access to all this stuff here for a one-time price. Of course, there is that bundle discount that I'm going to show you in a second here. Before I do that, let me play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the bundle discount.
It cannot be denied that any online business needs two key parameters to taste the fruit of success. First is an effective content to captivate and engage the audience. Second is to market your content and sell it to boost sales and conversions. Both these steps demand tireless efforts, time, and money, as you need to spend hours to ace mind-blowing videos, audios, voiceovers, and much more to lure your subscribers. Not only time, you also need exorbitant money to pay your content creators to generate your desired content. But this costs you a fortune, and sometimes you're still not satisfied. The worst part is that even after successful content generation, you need to market your content, publish to your social media, think about apt keyword generation to boost it, and a lot more. Remember, sometimes you have the right traffic to your blog and website, but you lack a jaw-dropping and creative content that lures your audience or lets them keep coming back to you. Fact check. A successful digital business needs distinct and alluring videos to influence the customers, effective audio to embed into videos, high-quality voiceovers for better customer engagement, is a piece of cake. Everything done by our AI assistants. So now you can permanently give up on spending endless hours scratching your head to build audiovisual content that suits your marketing demands. Take a look at the jam-loaded features of TONAI. Access to real human-like voice styles like excited, friendly, hopeful, sad, shouting, terrified, etc. AI Video Maker. Quickly create short, catchy video reels for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook in any language and voice. Audio Message AI. Create audio SMS, audio reviews, audio notifications, audio testimonials, podcasts, and send to contacts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, etc. in any language and voice. VoiceOver AI. Quickly in one click, auto-generate voiceover for your marketing purposes in any language and tone of voice. TikTok Content AI. Generates original song lyrics, writes engaging and creative fiction stories in 2 clicks in any language and voice. With TONAI comes a lucrative opportunity to create attention-grabbing content in just a few clicks and get the ball rolling for your subscribers. So instantly leverage the potential of this powerful tool. But wait, there's more to it. You can even publish your videos and share the generated audio to Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, etc. in just a few clicks without experiencing any hassle. You won't believe that companies are burning a hole in their pockets by paying heaps of dollars to their video and content creators, yet they face low customer engagement, negligible conversion rates, nominal sales, insignificant profits. And this is exactly where TONAI will pitch in and do everything for you in less than 60 seconds. So you can do the same job but with a far better performance. And all you need is to spend a few seconds and make a few clicks to create guaranteed content that'll spice it up for you. Time and again, it's proven that robotic voiceovers have become aged, boring, and tiresome. Thus, this breakthrough AI technology will break all the odds for you and produce natural, convincing content for your blogs and websites in any language you desire. TONAI can be your powerhouse of content and your next go-to product to upskill your performance and help you bank big. Without the prerequisite knowledge of any editing tools, without having any prior technical expertise of content creation, without paying big bucks to your content creators and bloggers, you can reap huge profits. Unbelievable, right? All this is available at a very low price, but only for a few days. The prices rise dramatically after the launch period is over. Pay once and get access for your entire lifetime. No recurring fees, no hidden charges. Just a quality tool available at a reasonable price. With everything at such an affordable price, we are also glad to announce our 14-day money-back guaranteed offer. Hence, if you're not satisfied or happy with the purchase, all your money will be refunded in no time. There's nothing to lose, but a lot to gain. We guess you realize the worth of this tool and will not miss the opportunity to get your hands on it. And we know you won't because it's absolutely worth your hard-earned money. If you miss this, you're going to regret it for long. So what are you waiting for? You don't have any reason to procrastinate. Hurry up, hit the buy button, and get one step closer to success. Because this exclusive price that you see here today is going to disappear soon. Yes, you heard that right. TONAI is available at a discounted rate only for a few more days, after which the price is going to hike. So, click on the buy button right now.
Okay, so we are back. We're in the back end area here. So this is the area where you're going to have access to the software. You can set up all your different audios. Now, there are multiple OTOs with this. The first one here is you can create even better content in more types, including social media ad content, Google Ads, full blog posts, all while it says improving the current content that you create. So this is the pro version of the software. This one's going to be $67 for this one. The next one you're going to see here, unlock 25 plus new content creation features. So with this one, you can get all these extra different features with it. And it is, I want to show you the price if I can, $97 for this one. Next one here is you can upgrade to get unlimited audios, videos, and blog posts. You can take away all limitations on your account. This one is $67. Next one, you get reseller rights to this and give away the amazing power of Power Pack Basic front end package to up to 100 clients with this. So this one is $297, and the last one here is you can get the reseller license I think you can actually with the Pro upgrade I think you can actually sell the OTO front end and OTO one. So this one lets you sell even more with this, and this is $397. Now, if you want to skip through all that OTO stuff, on my bonus page, you'll see a link right here for the bundle discount. If you click on that, you can skip the entire sales funnel and just go right over here. And this is a special bundle deal. It looks like there's a discount code on here as well. You can use that discount code and get $100 off. That might change throughout the launch, so just be aware of that. But you can get everything. You can get the front end offer. You can get the OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4. You get all these different bonuses added on for a big discounted price. It looks like it's $297 right now, and you can get a discount, bring that down to $197. Of course, that price can change throughout the launch, so don't quote me on that, but it's a big discount. It's up to you what you want to do. Go through the sales funnel if you want, get the bundle discount if you want, and it's, of course, everything is optional. Okay, so what do I like about TONAI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you don't need any audio, if you're fine doing audio on your own, or if you want to pay people to do it for you, then you don't need the software. This is for people that don't like using their own voice, that don't like having to worry about paying other people to do it. If you don't need that, then don't buy this. What do I like about this? I know a lot of people don't like putting their voices out there. I know a lot of people get nervous about it. If you want something to do it all for you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at TONAI, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.